5 simple steps to lose weight fast. While there are endless diets, supplements, and meal replacement plans claiming to ensure rapid weight loss, most lack any scientific evidence. There are, however, some strategies backed by science that do have an impact on weight management. If your doctor recommends it, there are ways to lose weight safely. A steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week is recommended for the most effective long-term weight management. That said, many eating plans leave you feeling hungry or unsatisfied. These are major reasons why you might find it hard to stick to a healthier eating plan. However, not all diets have this effect. Low-carb diets and whole food, lower-calorie diets are effective for weight loss and may be easier to stick to than other diets. These strategies include exercising, keeping track of calorie intake, intermittent fasting, and reducing the number of carbohydrates in the diet. Here are some ways to lose weight that employ healthy eating, potentially lower carbs, and that aim to reduce your appetite, cause fast weight loss, improve your metabolic health at the same time. But before we dive in, take a moment to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon, so you'll never miss out on any video from us again. Please note there's a gift for you in the description and pinned comment below. There are some videos explaining some supplement diet plans that have helped thousands of people to weight loss. Choose what is better for you and easy to follow. That being said, here are 5 simple steps to lose weight fast. 1. Cut back on refined carbs. One way to lose weight quickly is to cut back on sugars and starches, or carbohydrates. This could be with a low-carb eating plan or by reducing refined carbs and replacing them with whole grains. When you do that, your hunger levels go down, and you generally end up eating fewer calories. With a low-carb eating plan, you'll utilize burning stored fat for energy instead of carbs. If you choose to eat more complex carbs like whole grains along with a calorie deficit, you'll benefit from higher fiber and digest them more slowly. This makes them more filling to keep you satisfied. A study confirmed that a very low carbohydrate diet was beneficial for losing weight in older populations. Research also suggests that a low-carb diet can reduce appetite, which may lead to eating fewer calories without thinking about it or feeling hungry. Note that the long-term effects of a low-carb diet are still being researched. It can also be difficult to adhere to a low-carb diet, which may lead to yo-yo dieting and less success in maintaining a healthy weight. There are potential downsides to a low-carb diet that may lead you to a different method. Reduced calorie diets can also lead to weight loss and be easier to maintain for longer periods of time. If you opt for a diet focusing instead on whole grains over refined carbs, high whole grain with lower body mass index. To determine the best way for you to lose weight, consult your doctor for recommendations. 2. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Each one of your meals should include a protein source, fat source, and vegetables. A small portion of complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains. Protein. Eating a recommended amount of protein is essential to help preserve your health and muscle mass while losing weight. Evidence suggests that eating adequate protein may improve cardiometabolic risk factors, appetite, and body weight. Here's how to determine how much you need to eat without eating too much. Many factors determine your specific needs, but generally, an average person needs 56 to 91 grams per day for the average male. 46 to 75 grams per day for the average female. Diets with adequate protein can also help reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%. Reduce the desire to snack late at night by half, make you feel full. Don't be afraid to load your plate with leafy green vegetables. They're packed with nutrients, and you can eat very large amounts without greatly increasing calories and carbs. Your body still requires healthy fats no matter what eating plan you choose. Olive oil, butter, and avocado oil are great choices for including in your eating plan. 3. Trying intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, IF, is a pattern of eating that involves regular short-term fasts and consuming meals within a shorter time period during the day. Short-term intermittent fasting, which is up to 24 weeks in duration, leads to weight loss in overweight individuals. The most common intermittent fasting methods include the following. Alternate day fasting, ADF, fast every other day and eat normally on non-fasting days. The modified version involves eating just 25 to 30% of the body's energy needs on fasting days. The 5-to-2 diet, fast on 2 out of every 7 days. On fasting days, eat 500 to 600 calories. The 16/8 method, fast for 16 hours and eat only during an 8-hour window. For most people, the 8-hour window would be around noon to 8 p.m. A study on this method found that eating during a restricted period resulted in the participants consuming fewer calories and losing weight. It is best to adopt a healthy eating pattern on non-fasting days and to avoid overeating. 4. Move your body. Exercise, while not required to lose weight, can help you lose weight more quickly. Lifting weights has particularly good benefits. By lifting weights, you'll burn lots of calories and prevent your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of losing weight. Try going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week to lift weights. If you're new to the gym, ask a trainer for some advice. Make sure your doctor is also aware of any new exercise plans. If lifting weights is not an option for you, doing some cardio workouts such as walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming is very beneficial for weight loss and general health. Both cardio and weightlifting can help with weight loss. 5. Getting a good night's sleep. Numerous studies have shown that getting less than 5 to 6 hours of sleep per night is associated with an increased incidence of obesity. Research suggests that insufficient or poor quality sleep slows down the process in which the body converts calories to energy, called metabolism. When metabolism is less effective, the body may store unused energy as fat. In addition, poor sleep can increase the production of insulin and cortisol, which also prompt fat storage. How long someone sleeps also affects the regulation of the appetite-controlling hormones leptin and ghrelin. Leptin sends signals of fullness to the brain. If you opt for a low-carb eating plan, it's not necessary to count calories as long as you keep your carb intake very low and stick to protein, fat, and low-carb vegetables. If you find yourself not losing weight, you may want to keep track of your calories to see if that's a contributing factor. If you're sticking to a calorie deficit to lose weight, you can use a free online calculator. Enter your sex, weight, height, and activity levels. The calculator will tell you how many calories to eat per day to maintain your weight, or lose weight fast. You can also download free, easy-to-use calorie counters from websites and app stores. Note that eating too few calories can be dangerous and less effective for losing weight. Aim to reduce your calories by a sustainable and healthy amount based on your doctor's recommendation. With a sustainable low-carb or lower-calorie eating plan, you can eat healthy food until you're full and still lose a significant amount of fat. The initial drop in water weight can lead to a drop in the scales within a few days. Fat loss takes longer. We're done for now. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And remember, if you'd like to try out some easy weight loss supplement and weight loss plans that help thousands of people already, please see the links in the description below. It's a unique link to a short video that explains the easy way to lose weight in details. But I hope you won't just take my word for it. I hope you'll click the link below and check it out for yourself. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more videos. Don't forget to share with friends. See you in the next video.